Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a photo to a contact on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. To do this, first we need to open the phone app, then make sure to select contacts in the bottom right corner. Now we need to select a contact. However, you need to know that in order to add a photo to a contact, the contact must not be saved on a SIM card. If the contact is saved on a SIM card, you cannot change the photo. However, if the contact is saved on the Google Contacts or on the device, then you can press this pen icon at the top, and then you can press this logo over here on this avatar in order to choose the picture. And you can choose camera in order to take the photo. You can go to gallery in order to pick the photo from your device, and you can also switch to illustrations. So I'm gonna choose gallery, and let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. Then you can reposition the photo, you can zoom in and zoom out a little bit. You can also rotate by pressing this button over here at the bottom of the screen, and once you are done, press choose. Once you are done, press save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!